Hello and welcome. Today I am going to share with you another recipe. Well, it's similar to what I have already shown you, Korean strawberry milk. And for today, we are going to make bottled Korean strawberry milk. This is especially for the moms out there that would like to prepare the drinks for your children or your grandchildren in advance, put them in the refrigerator so that every time they feel like having a glass of strawberry milk, they can just take it out of the refrigerator. This is an extremely delicious recipe, very simple to make and also healthy. We are going to make use of two different strawberry hairs because I would like you to be able to compare the taste, the look of using different types of strawberry. One of the strawberry ingredients that we are going to use is using frozen strawberry because in this part of the world, we're not in Korea, and Korean strawberries here in Thailand and Philippines are very expensive. They are absolutely delicious but very expensive. So you can use frozen strawberry. So for this frozen strawberry that I have, we are going to make use of 500 grams of frozen strawberry. Put it in a blender. Now because it's frozen, add 30 ml of hot water and then blend the strawberry. Do not blend it too fine. You would like to leave some texture of the strawberry in there. Blend it for a bit and then take it out of the blender and add 150 grams of sugar. So that is 1:3. 500 grams of strawberry and 150 grams of sugar. If you are going to use it for business from home, I would suggest that you make small batches enough for you to finish within 2 to 3 days. Because we are using fresh milk here, so the shelf life might not be more than a week. And always, it's better to make it fresher. Frozen strawberries are not very expensive. If you are in the Philippines, you can buy this from supermarkets for about 200 pesos per kilogram. And in Thailand, it's about less than 100 baht per kilogram. So really very inexpensive. Okay, let's start by making our strawberry milk using our sweetened strawberry puree. For this, I'm going to use 300 ml bottles. I think the size is perfect, especially if you are serving this to children. This is good enough. They can finish this and they will be full from this. If you make it too big, that will be hard to finish. If you make it too small, you'll get complaints from them saying it's not enough because it is that delicious. The proportion again is 1:3. So I'll put 100 grams of strawberry in here and 200 ml of fresh milk. I made 4 bottles here and I still have some left here. I should be able to make at least 2 more bottles with this one, but I'm not going to finish it because I am going to make another version using a puree, just to show you. For this one, because it is a little bit sweet once it is bottled like this, I am going to put only 1 ounce or 30 ml of the puree. Let's do that. So 30 ml of puree, and you can see that the color is even brighter than frozen strawberry. So I'm going to put this in the bottle. If you really have no access to frozen strawberries, then this is the way to go. It should be fine. The advantage of using bottled puree is that they last longer. The shelf life is longer. You don't have to worry about having a freezer to keep your strawberry or frozen strawberry or even to blend it. This is ready-made. Okay, I'm going to tell you the cost later, the difference between the cost of using frozen strawberry versus a bottled strawberry puree. I am going to now pour my milk into the bottles. Let's try the one that uses frozen strawberry. Absolutely delicious. The taste of the strawberry is so good. In this case, even though it's frozen strawberry, I could taste the bits of the strawberry. I could see the strawberry bits as well, and it is absolutely perfect. The sweetness level is just right. If you'd like it to be sweeter, you can add sugar, but I think that 30% is good enough. But if you'd like to have it less, then you can also reduce the sugar. And now for the one that uses puree, when you mix it in, the color turns really, really pink. Give it a try. Different. It's just different. Although it's a strawberry puree and there are some bits, it's not the same as having real strawberry or frozen strawberry. Now let's look at the costing. For the costing, using the frozen strawberry, my cost for this, my estimate is about 33 pesos, not including the bottle. So if you're going to make a business out of this, you must sell it at a premium. I don't know what the cost of your bottle might be, but it should be about then altogether about 40 pesos for a 300 ml bottle. If you're making it in Thailand and you're going to prepare this and just keeping it in your refrigerator, the cost is about 18 baht per bottle, not including the bottle. Now, in terms of using the strawberry puree, the cost is actually exactly the same, whether you use frozen strawberry or puree. So my suggestion is if you have access to frozen fruits, get the frozen fruit. But if you don't have access to frozen fruit, you may also use bottled puree. So it doesn't have to be strawberry, it could be any other fruits that are available to you. So that's all I have today. I hope that you'll be able to give this a try and also start your own business using this recipe that I've just shown you. Korean strawberry milk using frozen strawberry or strawberry puree. Once again, for those that have not yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button below. And for those that have already subscribed, like, comment, and share the love. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.